This is Kathy Marshall with CI Web Group. I want to welcome you here, and I have several people asking me about our trainings coming up in the next few months. And I just want to lead y'all to the right direction so you can actually learn and be able to register and get involved with us. First thing you'll do is just go to ciwebgroup.com, and once that page loads, you'll go along the bar and go to training. Just click on that training or hover over it, and we'll actually have several menu bars that come down. Now you can actually look at all four of the different seminars that we have going on, but actually what I'm going to have y'all do is just click on February Train Event Registration. This kind of simplifies everything. Everything's on one page, and it's really pretty simple. The very first of the month, we're going to be doing an overview of our services, mainly just to tell people what we do and what we have. Whether you're an existing client, a client that's about to start working with us, or potentially someone that just, you're wanting to know what in the heck you can do with your online presence and what are some of the things that you can do to improve. Well, this CI Web Group Services Overview webinar and conference call is a really great free conference that you can attend to. What you'll do is just add to the cart and put in that promotional code if one of my sales reps actually invited you to this. Now the second one is really going to be a great one. All of these are done by Jennifer Bagley, our CEO. This is Total Web Domination, and again, this is another webinar. You'll be able to just call in at your lunch hour. It's the following week on 2/16/2001. It's free, and again, you'll add to cart just like we said it as above. And then the third one is one that unless your client really only our clients come to these, but this is our in-house training that we do that's actually a webinar where you can just call in, you don't have to spend your gas money, and we're going to actually teach you some things about what you can do with your website and publishing system that you have, and just maybe some of the other options that you can do to be able to save you time and money. Really important. And again, you want to add this to the cart, and again, this is just a free webinar. Now, our very last one is a very great seminar that's going to be done by our CEO and keynote speaker, Jennifer Bagley. And this is about her Fusion Marketing Bootcamp. It's a live seminar. It'll be held at a hotel. And it's all about leveraging your offline marketing strategies and today's technology to convert your time to cash. That's going to be on February the 22nd, and that'll be from 9 to 5:30, and it's only $49.99 online. So again, when you add that to cart, be sure and put in your promotional code. Now there's several of you that actually follow us through Meetup, and a lot of people like meetup.com because that allows people to actually see your picture, read a little bit about you, and also develop kind of a relationship before you meet at the meetup or maybe some of these live meetings that we're doing. So if you really prefer to sign up that way, that's fantastic. What you'll do is just go to www.meetup.com/Business Blitz. Now, if you've not registered and you've never been on Meetup, you need to register first. You need to actually put in an email, a username, and then it's going to ask you some profile questions. So be sure and get all that done. Now, if you've already registered for Meetup and you're trying to join our meetings, maybe the reason why it's not letting you in is you need to log in. So be sure if it says log in up here at the top, right now it says log out because you see Kathy Marshall here. I'm logged in. Okay, so if you see log in, that means you need to click that, and then you'll put in your email that you enrolled or registered with and your password. At that point, it'll take you to a portal, and you'll be able to see all of the things. This is actually the home key, and this home key, Meetup's changed just a little bit. Change is good, but you'll see that it has a listing of all of our different seminars. So you can click this little I'm going, and that will take you to the seminar and actually get you all set up. And actually, excuse me, I'm going means I am going because I'm registered. And then if you haven't done that yet, it's going to say sign me up or sign me in. I want to go. And then at that point, your picture will go up and information. Be sure in your Meetup that you want to, in meetup.com for your particular profile, that you've actually written some information about yourself, your business, how people can contact you, whether you have a website or an email. So this is basically how you register for some of our trainings. This is Kathy Marshall, Business Development Manager with CI Web Group, and I want to thank each and every one of you for participating in our trainings. If y'all have any questions, please email me directly, and it's kmarshall with 2 L's at ciwebgroup.com.